Hi everyone, it's Doug Atkinson here at another home tour. Today we're at Unit 214401 Blauson Boulevard out here in Abbotsford. Beautiful sunny day. Today we are looking at a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom townhouse. It's 1,272 square feet. It's listed right now for $648,800. I'd like to take the opportunity to thank Jordana Shushka at Home Life Advantage Realty for giving us the opportunity to tour this home. Her information can be found in the description below. So let's go inside and take a look. Coming inside from that beautiful garden with the picket fence all the way around and the flowers, a little bit of grass, nice little hangout area in the shade during summer. We come into the living space of this townhouse. You can see front to back through this place. It's nice open layout, nice floor plan. We have these beautiful vinyl plank flooring throughout. This is their sitting area at the moment with a little bit of a desk. This is where your living room would be. The current owners are using the dining area as their family space with a sofa here, the TV there, and they're using it as their space because the kitchen is an eat-in kitchen. So let's take a look at that. Well, this is a brand new kitchen. It was finished a year ago. It has a lot of nice features about it, especially this quartz countertop on top with the deep mounted double sink here with the 60-40 split. You have brand new stainless steel appliances. You have a dishwasher right here, your stove, your microwave up top, and this beautiful Samsung fridge, French door fridge. The cabinets are wood cabinets with these beautiful pulls. Lots of storage, lots of cabinetry everywhere. Perfect home. Well, this is a very large kitchen, as I said. They're not currently using the dining room because there's a table big enough to fit inside the kitchen. You can have more cabinets up here if you want, but still a lot of space for sitting in the kitchen and eating. Then you have access to your balcony out the back for your barbecue, facing south, getting a lot of sun, nice place to escape. Coming up to the top floor, there are 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. The children bedrooms are down here. They're identical almost in size. You have room for bunk beds on either bedroom. Nice, bright, sunny facing south. It's very nice. You have a family bathroom up here as well with a tub, shower surround, vanity sink. Then you have your laundry in the hallway, stacking whirlpool. Then we head over to the primary bedroom. Great size primary bedroom. Enough space for a queen bed, possibly even a king, depending on how you arrange the furniture. You have walk-through closets on either side here. There is an ensuite bathroom connected to the primary bedroom. It has a stand-up shower and a double vanity. Well, that's the end of our tour here today. The stunning 3-bedroom, 2-bath townhouse, a tandem 2-car garage. It's located in a pet family friendly complex. They've done renos over a year ago with a brand new kitchen, quartz countertops, the vinyl wide plank flooring, baseboards, the new appliances. It's a great home for a family to start in. It's located close to biking trails, hiking, walking trails, good schools, a golf course. And at this moment, I'd like to take the time to thank Dardana Shushka for allowing us the opportunity to view this home. Her information is located in the description below. If you like these tours, please like and subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I will see you on the next tour.